Good day, DIYers. It's Alicia Moore of Alicia's House of Hair and Fashion, coming to you today with a quick video showing you how I was able to create this beautiful oversized sun hat simply using placemats from Walmart. I know, right? Walmart. Who would ever thought? So I got the idea from watching Lu-Ann Skaggs' video on this DIY sun hat tutorial, and I mean, my goodness, she broke it down to the ground and I was able to follow the steps and create my own hat. So what I did was I recorded this video on a time lapse on my cell phone, but I felt like, you know, if I slowed it down too much, it would destroy the quality of the video. So it's sped up because it was shot that way. But again, if you would like to see the full breakdown tutorial, go ahead and click in the description box and I'll have the link there for Lu-Ann Skaggs' video. Her YouTube page is bomb. She does all kind of different projects, but this one really struck my attention. So in her video, she used 4 placemats. In my video, I'm using 8 because I like drama. I want it to be extremely oversized and over the top. I'm a drama queen, so I'm here for all of the dramatics. So I use 8 instead of 4, but it's totally your preference on how many placemats that you would like to use. So I'm sewing and sewing and sewing until I feel like it's the fullness that I want before I move on to adding the trim around the perimeter of the brim. So I'm still adding and adding and adding. As you can see at this point, my hat is beginning to ripple in the brim because I did change the tension on my sewing machine to make it tighter, as well as I'm pulling as well at the same time that I'm sewing. So that tension and the pulling and the tugging is causing it to have a ripple effect, which is a great thing for this hat because being as though it's so oversized, I would like to have that flexibility of to be able to bend it, shape it and form it how, you know, however I like, and not have to keep fighting with it falling and drooping down. So the ripples in it does a lot of justice to shaping the hat into whatever style that you would like to wear it. We're almost there, and I'm almost done with the blue. Put a little ribbon on there to see if it goes cohesively with the hat, and I believe that it does. So I'm adding the trim. I felt like a few rows would be nice, but after looking at it, it felt like it really needed quite a few more rows to make it look more cohesive, if you will. See, here's a picture of it here, a video of it here, and you can see it's just a few rows of the tan color, but I'm gonna go back and add an additional 7 or 8 rows. And here we are, and this is how it came out. This is my first attempt. I was extremely excited about how the finished result came out. It's absolutely beautiful. I will be making more of these hats in the near future, and I will be having them for sale. So thank you for watching, and again, shout out to Lu-Ann Skaggs for sharing.